Today I'm going to show you how to change out your OEM welcome lights with new high definition lights, and they're going to have the logo in it. So let's jump into the video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive Talk Cars. Today I'm going to change out these welcome lights. It's something that's very minor and you may overlook it, but it's becoming more and more popular in a lot of newer cars where when you open the door you get a logo shine down on the ground. So I'm going to show you how you do it on your E63 AMG, and hopefully you can update yours to something cool just like this. So the only tool you really need is a plastic ply tool, something just to pull it away from the door panel. So there's two clamps on the side. All you have to do is just pull this down, get down in there, and use two tabs on both sides of here that you push in, and then it comes out. All right, so there we go. We have it out, and it's holding on by just this one. Oh, that's pretty cool. The OEM, it allows for you to change the bulb. Oh, I guess that would have to do. All right, so once it's out, you just see that it has this one harness plugged into it. So we just press this one tab in, and then it comes out. All right, so here is the new one. As you can see, it has a projector at the bottom. Still has the red, has the white. So this right here is what projects the image onto the ground. As you can see, the old one didn't have anything like that, but same size, same shape. It's going to use the same connection as the old one, and it should just be plug and play. Take the old harness, just plug it in to the new one. Once we have it connected, then we just reinsert it. Actually, before you insert it, it'll be good to try it out. So let's close the door, then open it back up, and that should re-enable the welcome light because they time out after a while. All right, so there's a good thing that we didn't fully install it because it wasn't plugged in there good. So the pins in there got bent upward and they didn't go into the harness, so the light didn't work. So let's readjust these and then get it back right. Let's see, hopefully I can. All right, so we reposition it. Let's get this in here. It's only two slots here, two pins, but you gotta make sure it goes in there. There we go. As you can see, there's light. So you wanna push it all the way in there until it clamps. So now that we confirm we do have light and it is connected properly, we can go ahead and put it back into the slot. So you just put right side in first where the harness is, then push the other side in. And there you have it. Make sure it's in there secure, and you should be all good. So we're just going to install the other one on the other side, and that'll be it. So when we get a little darker, I'm going to show you what it looks like before and after. So I got these off of Amazon. They're called 3D Shadow Light. I think this is the same brand that I got for the Maserati. They're not very expensive, about 20 bucks, 30 bucks, I believe. I'll have a link down in the description below so you can get you some for your E63. All right, so here is the before. As you can see, it's not that bright. It gives more of a reddish, yellowish tone. And then the new one looks like this. So as you can see, it has the Mercedes Benz logo as well as the AMG logo. So that was what I wanted. Since this is an AMG, I didn't want just the Mercedes Benz, but I want something a little different and put the AMG on there. So there you have it. As I said, it's a quick mod to upgrade your car to the next level. If you found this video helpful and you enjoyed it, please give me that thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, select one of these videos over here. And remember, do it until you can't. Until next time, I'm out.